How to remove link previews in Discord. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove link previews on Discord. So first of all, you need to open a server, and after that you can paste a link from anywhere. So let's just say we will paste a link from here, and we'll just paste it here. And after pasting it, as you can see, there is a preview of this, and we have to just click on the cross icon and remove all embeds. So we'll have to just click on here, and as you can see, the link preview is gone now. So you can do another thing to remove the link preview. So for that, you have to press shift and this bracket, and then copy the link, and you have to close the bracket, and after that you can click enter, and as you can see, there is no link preview for that. And that's the two method you can try to hide or delete the link preview from Discord. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.